who is a vegetarian. So how long have you been vegetarian?
I've been vegetarian since yesterday because I saw those little chickens and I felt so sorry for them, and that's it.
That's the only reason?
Yes, it is.
And it has been difficult?
Not really, because I mainly eat salads, which are good for your health, and that's it again.
So you only eat salads?
I am thinking in eating tofu and soja, and that's it.
Okay, and what about your friends? They support you?
I don't know, because since I'm only vegetarian since yesterday, I don't know if they support me because they don't even know. What kind of fucking question is that?
And you're thinking about telling them?
Yeah, why not?
Hi, we're here with Tanya. Tanya, who are you?
I'm vegan.
So, what's the difference between a vegan and a vegetarianist?
The veganism is not a diet. It is a biology based in animal rights.
And what kind of clothes do you wear?
I like use the synthetic and vegetable materials like lime, cotton, and synthetic materials.
So, why don't vegans use a lot of medicines?
Because most of them are tested in animals.
So, what do you usually do in your free time? Do you go to circus or anything like that?
I hate go to circus because the animals are used entertainment.
Hi, we're here with John. John, who are you?
I'm an hippie guy.
And so what kind of things do you do?
I travel around the world. Go out with my pals, bros and sis. I play guitar, and that's it.
And what is your relationship with nature?
It's a very deep relationship, actually. She's like my mother, and so and I
She
protect
buys
her.
you stuff?
Yes, all kinds of stuff, like weed and that things.
Wow. When do you decide to be a hippie?
Actually, I was born hippie. My father and my mother were already hippies, and I was born in the middle of their community.
And you don't regret
No, never.
So what is your philosophy in life?
I fight against those who try to destroy nature, and I try to change the world because the rules that people have nowadays are very bad and limited.
What do you fight for?
I fight against those who try to destroy nature, and I fight for a better world with more peace and no war and that kind of stuff.
So let's see what you will do. Hi, we're here with Rita that a few years ago changed her life. So tell us about your story.
I grew up in a big city and I worked there. I had a really good job, really well paid, but it was really stressful and I didn't have time for myself, and the city was full of people, pollution. I didn't think it was a good life for me. So I decided to go green and change my life and came to the camp to work in the land, and I think it's a more healthier life with all the clean air, and I love it.
And you now you are away from your loved ones, no?
I didn't really have many people that I hang out with there in the city because I was always working. But now I found here some good people, and I hang out with my neighbors and such.
And what do you do now? For what's your work?
I work on the land with animals. That's it. I sell some stuff that I produce.
And you enjoy it?
Yes, really, it's much better than being all stressed out and
It's more calm here.
yes.
So let's see what you do usually.
Now we are going to the supermarket where I usually shop.
Okay, let's go then. So what do you usually buy?
I usually buy spaghetti.
What do you usually buy?
I usually buy spaghetti, water,
What else?
cereals,
And some fruits?
yes, some oranges, grapes,
And what about vegetables?
yes, some carrots, tomatoes,
And what kind of meal can you do with that?
salad.
Okay.
I want two steaks, please.
What just happened?
He was buying dead animals.
So we're here at your home, and what do you do for a living?
For a living, I grow lots of vegetables and such, and I also breed animals.
And what kind of vegetables do you have here?
I have cabbage, onions, broccoli.
That's it, sure. And what kind of animals do you have?
I have a pig, chickens, rabbits, and so on.
And you sell those things, or is this for you?
Well, what the things I need, I use for me. But what I don't need, I sell. Yes.
And you make money with that?
If I sell it, I make money.
Would be. So what you're gonna do now?
I'm gonna remove the weeds from the land so the plants can grow healthier.
Okay, let's see that. So in a regular day, what else do you do?
I usually collect some oranges to make a juice, a natural juice.
Okay, let's see. So you like to work here?
Yes, it's pretty fun. I like working in the nature, the natural stuff.
And you never tire? You never get tired?
Of course, it's a tiring work, but I like it so.
Okay.
I have enough.
That's enough to make juice for you?
Yes. It's enough.
So what are you gonna do now?
Now I have to feed the animals. Now I'm going to start with the pig.
What do he usually eat?
It's raisin and pumpkin.
He's big.
Yeah. So now I just fed the chickens, and now I'm going to just cook dinner and watch the soap opera first.
And that's what you do to relax at the end of the day?
Yes, that's it. That and live with my community.
Okay, let's go.
So why are we here?
Because this is where I met my client to tell them what they want.
And what do you sell?
You will see.
Okay. The person coming.
And do you
What
got
do you
the
want?
problem?
Clothes? Money.
I don't have right now, but I'll pay you later, I swear.
I'll let you take this time, but next time you gotta pay, okay?
Alright.
So,
Oh, okay, so some drugs here.
no, it's just weed, not drugs.
Well, can I have some?
Got money?
Yes.
40.
Here.
Okay, take it.
What happened? My guinea pigs were fighting, and this one, I guess, that lost.
Oh my
I
god.
have to take him.
It's so bad. So, Philip, what do you usually do in your free time?
I skate. That's all I like to do. I'm gonna show you some skills today.
What happened? Are you alright?
I'm not alright.
Your leg's broken?
Don't you see it's broken, you dumb bitch? Call a 911.
So, for how long have you been skating?
I've been skating for the past 4 years.
Oh, a long time. Stop ruining my interviews!
Together we made it. We made it even though we had our backs up against the wall.
So